How to install Among Us game on your iPhone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to the App Store. For now, I'm using my Android phone, so I'll head over to my Play Store. The download process is pretty much similar in iPhone and Android both. So once you're on your store, tap on the search bar and search for Among Us. In the search result, you will see the app with this kind of logo. This is the official app. Once you find this app, in the right hand side you can see this install button in your Android phone. If you are on your iPhone, you will see the get button. From here you can easily download this app on your phone. So you can tap on this button. The download process has begun. It might take few moments depending on your internet connection speed. After the installation is complete, you will see this play button. The app has been successfully downloaded into your phone. You can directly launch this app from here. You can simply tap on this play button. And there you go, you can set up your account from here and start playing this game. So that's a very easy process to install the Among Us on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.